Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you have administrative rights because disabling the touchscreen modifies drivers. Once you're logged in, press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and hit Enter to open it. Make sure to expand Human Interface Devices in the Device list. That's where the touchscreen driver usually lives. If you don't see Human Interface Devices, check View Show Hidden Devices. Now that the list is expanded, you're ready to identify the touchscreen entry and proceed to disable it safely. Locate the HID-compliant touchscreen entry and right-click it. Choose Disable Device to stop touch input. Windows will prompt for confirmation. Accept it. If your model lists multiple HID touch entries, disable them one at a time and test, because some systems separate pen and touch. Once disabled, the touchscreen stops responding immediately. That's why you test after each change. If a disable option is grayed out, you may need to uninstall the driver or update Windows, but try disabling all relevant HID entries first. Restart the computer to ensure the change persists across sessions. Make sure to test the touchscreen after boot. If you need touch back, return to Device Manager, right-click the HID-compliant touchscreen entry, and choose Enable Device. If the touchscreen re-enables itself after updates, go to the manufacturer's site and download the latest driver, or install the driver from Device Manager by uninstalling then reinstalling the correct package. If problems continue, check BIOS settings for touch options or contact HP support for firmware guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.